In this video, we're sharing 59 absolutely stunning succulents that are perfect for busy people like you. Number 1. Echeveria Lola, a rosette beauty with lilac tones. It thrives in bright light with minimal care. Number 2. Chrysula capitella, also known as campfire. It turns fairy red in full sun, perfect if you like a pop of color. Number 3. Sedum rubrotinctum, also known as jelly beans. It has glossy, chubby leaves that blushes red under the sun. Number 4. Rhaptopetalum paraguanus, also known as ghost plant. These are pastel rosettes that thrives on neglect. Number 5. Haworthia fasciata, also known as zebra plant. It has bold stripes, compact size, and super low maintenance. Number 6. Echeveria. It has dusty pink and lavender tones in a rose shape. Number 7. Sedevria letizia. It has red tinged tips in a compact rosette form. Number 8. Kalanchoe luciae, also known as flapjack. It's paddle-like leaves that turns crimson under the sunlight. Number 9. Anacampsaros telefiastra. It has colorful spiraled foliage in green, pink, and purple. Number 10. Chrysula ovata gollum. These are tubular, alien-like leaves with a jade green shimmer. Number 11. Haworthia cooperi. It has see-through leaf tips that look like water droplets. Looks weird, but beautiful. Number 12. Lithops, also known as living stones. It lives up to its name. These are rocks with personalities. It needs very little water. Number 13. Gasteria. They have unique tongue-shaped leaves with cool speckled patterns. Number 14. Echeveria black prince. It has deep purple tones and dramatic flair. 15. Chrysula tomtom. They have many stacked leaves in tight clusters. Number 16. String of pearls, also known as Senecio rubeolanus. They have cascading green beads with very low water needs. Number 17. Aloe juana, also known as tiger tooth aloe. These are spiky yet soft textured, green with white spots. Number 18. Sempervivum, also known as Henson chicks. Hardy clusters that multiply easily. 19. Fenestraria, also known as baby toes. These are chunky and cute with translucent tips. 20. Sedum little missy. Dainty variegated leaves in a trailing form. 21. Echeveria afterglow. This one is my favorite. Lavender pink rosettes that glows in sunlight. 22. Aeonium kiwi. Green centers with yellow rims and red edges. 23. Aloe delta lights. They are starburst shaped with speckled patterns. 24. Kalanchoe tomentosa, also known as panda plant. Fuzzy gray-green leaves with brown tips. 25. Sedum blue spruce. They are cool-toned and needle-like, yet soft to the touch. 26. Graptosedum, also known as California sunset. It has pink-orange hues like a real sunset. 27. Portulacaria afra, also known as elephant bush. A mini tree with round waxy leaves. Number 28. Chrysula moonglow. Stacked gray-green cubes. These looks very sculptural. 29. Euphorbia turcali, also known as pencil cactus. Coral-like branches that needs barely any water. 30. Aeonium zwarkop. Glossy, dark purple rosettes that loves full sun. 31. String of bananas, also known as Sennacio radicans. Banana-shaped vines that trail beautifully. 32. Sedum morganianum, also known as burro's tail. Chubby, trailing leaves, perfect for baskets. 33. Peperomia prostrata, also known as string of turtles. Tiny patterned leaves that looks like turtles on long strings. 34. Dischidia numularia, also known as button plant. Adorable tiny round leaves that looks like buttons, and these are easy to maintain. 35. Athono capensis, also known as ruby necklace. Bright purple stems with jelly bean like leaves. It looks exactly like a ruby necklace. 36. Ripsalis bacifera, also known as mistletoe cactus. Trailing soft stems for low life rooms. 37. Serpogia woody, also known as string of hearts. These have heart-shaped leaves in a dreamy cascade. 38. Chrysula pellucida, also known as calico kitten. Variegated, pink-edged, trailing cuteness. 39. Hoya linearis. Fuzzy, narrow leaves with delicate vines. 40. Hoya curtisi. Button-sized leaves with silver splash patterns. 41. Gasteria littlewati. Textured leaves with quirky patterns. 42. Sansevieria snake plant. A succulent cousin that can live in shadows. These are so common among households. 43. Aloe vera. Classic healing plant that needs ultra low care. 44. Haworthia limifolia. Ridged geometry green leaves that stay tidy. 45. Peperomia graveolens. Jelly bean like leaves with red undersides. 46. Chrysula tetragona. These are pine tree look-alike, great for bonsai vibes. 47. Senecio crassissimus. Purple stems with upright oval leaves. 48. Echeveria derenbergii. Compact, frosty, blue-green rosettes. 49. Portulaca molokinensis. Rare, round-leaved succulent with a tropical look. 50. Adromyscus cristatus, also known as key lime pie. Textured green leaves that look wavy and fun. 51. Agave perii. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. Sturdy, spiky, and architectural, and it loves sun. 52. Sedum angelina. Golden green foliage with starry flowers. 53. Delosperma, also known as ice plant. Colorful blooms with excellent drought resistance. 54. Sempervivum red beauty. Burgundy-scented rosettes that thrives in rock gardens. 55. Dudleya. Native to cliffs, super low maintenance. 56. Echinocereus, also known as hedgehog cactus. It has spiny textures with spectacular flowers. 57. Cotyledon orbiculata. Paddle-shaped leaves often grows with red edges. 58. Sedum autumn joy. Grows tall with pink flowers even in poor soil. 59. Yucca rostrata. Sculptural and stunning. Perfect for a dry garden design.